Leaves piling up faster than you can rake? Manual raking is exhausting and inefficient. A great leaf blower clears your yard in minutes, not hours. But choosing the wrong one can mean low power and high noise. In this video, I've picked the top 5 leaf blowers that deliver serious airflow, quiet performance, and easy handling, whether you're tackling a small lawn or a big backyard. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the LEAPUL cordless electric blower, a lightweight yet surprisingly powerful solution for homeowners looking to keep their outdoor spaces clean without the hassle of cords or gas. Perfectly suited for quick yard cleanups, patios, garages, and even light snow blowing, this compact tool offers a great balance of convenience and performance. What makes the LEAPUL blower stand out is its cordless design, paired with 2 rechargeable 21-volt batteries, giving users extended runtime and flexibility. With a maximum airspeed of up to 150 miles per hour, it delivers solid blowing power for everyday yard tasks, especially clearing leaves, dust, and small debris with ease. The variable speed control allows users to adjust the airflow depending on the task, making it both efficient and user-friendly. Weighing in at just over 3 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, which is a huge plus for seniors, beginners, or anyone who values easy maneuverability. The ergonomic handle and one-handed operation reduce fatigue, even during longer sessions. Users love that it's quiet compared to traditional gas-powered models, making it ideal for suburban neighborhoods or early morning chores. Feedback from customers highlights the LEAPUL's quick assembly, portability, and how surprisingly effective it is for its size. While it may not be built for heavy-duty or commercial-grade work, it's a dependable and affordable option for typical residential use. The dual battery setup is another strong advantage. When one runs low, just swap it out and keep going. If you're looking for a no-fuss, budget-friendly leaf blower that delivers reliable results and cordless freedom, the LEAPUL cordless electric blower deserves its spot in the number 5 position. It's proof that small and simple can still get the job done. Slipping into the number 4 spot, the Black+Decker LB700 electric leaf blower delivers dependable yard cleanup power in a compact, easy-to-use package. Designed for homeowners who want a hassle-free option without gas or batteries, this corded blower provides up to 250 miles per hour airspeed, making light to medium leaf and debris removal quick and efficient across patios, driveways, and lawn edges. This model stands out for its lightweight design, weighing just around 4 pounds, which ensures minimal arm fatigue during use. Its power drive fan system creates a powerful airstream while maintaining low noise levels, perfect for early mornings or neighborhoods with noise restrictions. With one-handed operation and a tapered nozzle for efficient debris control, it's ideal for quick spot cleaning jobs indoors or out. Users appreciate the LB700's continuous power thanks to the corded setup, with no need to recharge or worry about runtime. It's especially praised for its ease of use. Plug in, switch on, and get to work. The unit also features an integrated cord retention hook to keep the power cable secure and out of the way while you work. For occasional yard work like clearing damp leaves, sidewalk cracks, or around flower beds, it gets the job done well with minimal fuss. That said, the cord restricts your movement range, so it's better suited to smaller yards or areas near outlets. It's not designed for heavy-duty or professional landscaping, but for typical household maintenance, it's both reliable and affordable. Reviewers often note the durability of the motor, straightforward maintenance, and intuitive design when evaluating value over time. If you're seeking a practical, low-effort, and budget-friendly leaf blower that offers reliable blowing force with corded consistency, the Black+Decker LB700 earns its number 4 position. It's a solid choice for homeowners wanting dependable performance without the weight, noise, or maintenance of battery or gas models. Landing at number 3, the GEVEELIFE electric cordless leaf blower offers standout cordless performance for everyday yard cleanup. Delivering airflow up to 650 cubic feet per minute, this blower handles large piles of leaves, lawn debris, and even light snow without struggling, rivaling the power of many gas models. This kit includes two 20-volt 5.0 amp-hour rechargeable batteries, allowing extended runtime, up to 150 minutes on low speed, and flexibility across varied yard tasks. With 3 speed settings, users can choose gentle airflow for patios or maximum turbo for stubborn wet leaves and dense debris. The runtime paired with speed control gives strong performance that adapts to your cleanup needs. Despite its power, the unit weighs just around 4.4 pounds, making it surprisingly light and easy to maneuver. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort during use, and the included shoulder strap helps cut down fatigue during extended outdoor sessions. Assembly and controls are intuitive, making it especially accessible for first-time users or anyone who wants kickstart yard work quickly. Noise levels stay moderate, still considerably quieter than gas blowers, so it's ideal for suburban use or early morning yard chores. The cordless design also eliminates fumes, making it safer and more environmentally friendly than gas-powered alternatives. While it's not a professional-grade leaf blower, it's more than capable for typical homeowner needs like sweeping driveways, patios, garden beds, and light cleanup after storms. The dual battery system ensures continuous operation, and the 3-speed function adds more control than most entry-level models. Many users highlight its compact size, ease of storage, and value compared to more expensive leaf blowers. Taking the impressive number 2 spot on our list is the EcoPower Plus Cordless Leaf Blower LB7654, a true powerhouse in the world of electric blowers. Designed for those who demand high performance without the noise and hassle of gas, this model delivers an incredible 765 cubic feet per minute of airflow and up to 200 miles per hour wind speed, making it one of the most powerful handheld cordless blowers available. Whether you're clearing dry leaves or wet, heavy debris, this blower is up to the challenge. One standout feature is the variable speed control with a turbo boost button, giving users full command over air output depending on the task. The brushless motor ensures longer runtime, better efficiency, and extended motor life. It also includes cruise control, allowing for a consistent airstream without finger fatigue, ideal for large yards or prolonged use. Another highlight is its 5.0 amp-hour 56-volt ARC lithium battery, which provides up to 90 minutes of runtime on low settings and around 15 minutes on the highest turbo mode. Despite its power, the design remains ergonomic, with a comfortable grip and included shoulder strap for better weight distribution during longer sessions. User feedback consistently praises the blower's remarkable power, quiet operation, and ease of use. Many appreciate how it handles heavy-duty cleanup without needing gas or extension cords. For homeowners or yard enthusiasts looking for performance and convenience, the EcoPower Plus LB7654 strikes a nearly perfect balance. With exceptional airflow, smart controls, and impressive battery life, this cordless beast firmly secures its spot as our number 2 best leaf blower recommendation. Claiming the top spot on our list is the DeWalt 20V MaxxR cordless leaf blower, a perfect blend of power, portability, and user-friendly design. This blower delivers up to 450 CFM of airflow and 125 mph wind speed, making quick work of wet leaves, yard debris, and tight spaces with precision. Its brushless motor paired with an axial fan maximizes performance while extending battery life and motor durability. Weighing just around 5.4 pounds without the battery, it offers excellent balance and reduces arm fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. The blower is also impressively quiet, allowing early morning or neighborhood use without disturbing anyone. Its variable speed trigger lets you customize airflow with ease, and the turbo boost provides instant extra power when tackling stubborn debris. Users appreciate the ergonomic grip and lightweight feel, making maneuvering effortless around gardens, patios, and driveways. Though the battery life ranges from 10 to 20 minutes depending on power settings, Having a spare battery ensures uninterrupted work. The blower's compact size and responsive controls make it suitable for quick cleanups or detailed yard.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!